My dear NetSet aspirants, my dear brothers and sisters, and my dear friends, Namaskar. I am Mr. Dhanaya sir. I wish you very happy Shiva Jayanti. Today we all the Maharashtrian across Maharashtra and across India, we are celebrating the great king, patriotic Shivaji Maharaj birth anniversary. It is a jewel moment for everyone. It is a pious moment for all of us. So once again, I wish you very happy Shiva Jayanti. So on this occasion, I am telling you paper number 1, unit number 1, teaching aptitude. In this unit, I am taking only sub point methods of teaching in institution of higher learning. There are two types of teaching method. One is student centered teaching method. Second one is teacher centered teaching method. Already I narrated teacher centered teaching method. Now I am telling you, now I am explaining you about student centered teaching method. The teaching method which is based on students is called as student centered teaching method. Here in this method, students are playing important role. In this method, students are actively participating. In this method, students role is dominant role. The principles, the activity, the theory which is based on student is known as student centered teaching method. Dear students, I know after passing the set exam and net exam you are going to become assistant professor. I am very happy to inform you that yesterday 3 students from Karnataka, one is from Gokak, Belgaum district, another one is from Kudlagi, Vijayanagar district, Hospete district, and third one is from Sedam district. Dr. Venkateshwar from Gulbarga, Sedam, and Prashant Babu from Kudlagi, and this Mittu Saab from Belgaum. These 3 students achieved success and they qualified, they passed the recruitment exam. Now they selected as assistant professor post in government of Karnataka. So friends, please have sense, use your technique, use your knowledge. Strike while the iron is hot. Strike while the iron is hot. Friends, iron is hot. At the time only you have to beat it. Then only you can mold that. You can break that. You can create the new structure of that iron. If iron is cold, it will not mold. It will not break. It will not damage. When iron is hot, at the time only hit it. This is the time for you. You must work very hard. You must study very well. You must focus on your target. Friends, if iron is not hot, then if you are beating, then no use. So use the sense of your knowledge. Use your skill. Please utilize it. Each and every video, my videos will give you marks. You will get 2 marks after watching one video. Now, here are 9 methods. All these 9 methods comes under student centered teaching method. First one is heuristic teaching method. Second one is project method. Third one is discussion method. Fourth one is activity based method. Fifth one is role playing, problem solving method, role playing. Sixth one is constructivism method. Next, activity based teaching method, inductive teaching method, deductive teaching method. Here only you remember definition of this method, who used this coin, who used this term, the benefit of this term and the demerit of this term. Okay. Now all these activities, all these 9 methods comes under student centered teaching method. Now I am focusing on heuristic teaching method. Heuristic teaching method, this method, in this method, it has another three names. We can call it as a discovery method, we can call it as a scientific method, we can call it as a research method. Heuristic method has three names: research method, discovery method, and scientific method. Heuristic method, this term was first time used by Professor Edward Henry Edward Armstrong in America. Heuristic method, this word heuristic, this word came from a Greek word heurisco. The meaning of heurisco is to find out, to search out. It was a question asked in Andhra set exam. What is the meaning of heurisco? Heurisco means to find out. In this teaching method, students are learning, students are understanding, students are finding the answer of the questions. Teacher gives a problem to the students himself do the activity, student himself solve the activity, student himself solve the problems, and student himself find the answers by using his trial and error method, by using his creativity knowledge, using his interpretation knowledge. Students self activity is very important in this method. In this method, heuristic method, students are known as a scientist. Again, it was a question asked in the set exam. In which method students are known as a discoverer? In which method students are known as a scientist? These are junior scientists. Students are learning, students are finding the answers by doing the activity themselves. This method is based on doing, what I can say, self activity. All these students do self activity. Trial and error methods are used. All these students are using creativity and critical knowledge. Problem solving comes under in this method. This method, the merits of this method is students do activity. All students are completely involved in this method. Teachers are keep quiet and students are doing activity, students are involving in the activity, students are using their all five sense organs. And demerits of this method is it takes more time, it needs more time, and all teachers should be trained. Trained teachers are important while conducting this method. If teachers are not trained, then this method will not be useful. It takes a lot of time. Please remember this method and you will get the mark. Thank you so much.